Hey guys, it's Metro coming to you from Rabun Beach. Actually, we're about to hit the Angel Falls trail up to a double waterfall. Angel Falls, I believe Panther Falls. It's about 1.75 miles round trip, so let's keep moving. So we're getting into it, Angel Falls. Supposedly there's two waterfalls here. The first one is Angel, the second one is Panther. Or I could be mistaken. Either way, it's beautiful out here. Hardly anyone here. Light traffic, to say the least. It's always good. No bugs. And it's relatively cool. I guess this is the first day of fall, September 22nd. All right, let's do this. That was interesting. I just got stung by a yellow jacket, and it's been a while since I've been stung by a yellow jacket. I'll tell you, that hurt. Woke me up, that's for sure. I think we're not too far from the waterfall now. Let's keep moving. So we decided to keep on keeping on because there was people down at the lower falls. We'll come back in a minute. So we decided to keep on the incline, and it's just nothing but uphill. So let's keep moving. So we just left Panther Falls, which is the second waterfall, or I should say the next waterfall past Angel Falls. I think Angel Falls is a little bit better though, personally, but hey, you get 2 for 1 on this trip, so why not go check out both of them. Anyway, let's keep moving. So there it was. That was a wonderful 2.5 mile hike up to Angel Falls and Panther Falls and back out here on Rabun Beach. I'm telling you what, if you're looking for a somewhat moderate hike to see 2 great waterfalls, this is your place. So Angel Falls Trail, 2.5 miles. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, send me a comment. Always, thanks for watching, and until next time, let's keep moving.